Hello friends. The compiler design model is segregated into different phases. Among these phases, the first phase is called lexical analysis. In this class, we'll do the introduction of lexical analysis. Okay, so let's start understanding these phases. The first phase here in this case is the lexical analysis phase, and it's very one of the simplest phases that you are having in this cases. It's a linear analysis, and it is called scanning. Okay, so here in lexical analysis phase, the idea of the lexical analysis phase, we know that there are statements are there. And the idea here in this case is to break this statement into smaller units. Okay, breaking the statement, let's take any programming statement, and we were just breaking statements in smaller unit. So what is required here in this case is, suppose this is position is equal to initial rate multiplied by 60. So here idea in this case is I will linearly scan this entire statement one after another, and then I will break the statement into a smaller unit, and these smaller units are basically the larger term, and later we'll understand, is basically called token. Okay, so we will break it down into token, and lexical analysis is also known as your token generator. So here here in this case, position is one of the unit, position is one unit, and then equal to is one unit, and then we have a initial as one unit, then plus is another unit, rate is another unit, multiplication is another unit, and 60 is another. So I have just divided this thing, and you can also say that this breaking down into a statement smaller unit is based on this white spaces. Okay, what is a white space? White space is like here there is a gap between position and equal to, and this is our common standard that we maintain when we write a statement in C, that we put a space over there. We don't write the sentence in like a single string. We put a space. So this spaces space play important role in case of lexical analysis, and we can say they are separated. These are basically the separate units are there. Okay, so these are the smaller unit. And what is the standard term here in this case? The standard term for this standard term here in this case is basically, the term here in this case is the token. So we generate token. So linearly we analyze each let's say word. For a sentence, each word is analyzed, and we will generate a corresponding token. So for position, for equal to, for initial, for plus, for rate, for multiplication, and for 60, we will generate corresponding token for it. So linear analysis is just a scanning, and this scanning is performed. Just scan the input and generate the token. Okay. So this is the first part of this phase, lexical analysis.